Could Indian businesses lose billions because of Trump's latest trade move? The US is gearing up to impose reciprocal tariffs, a policy that could cost India up to $7 billion a year. But which industries are in the firing line? And can India strike a deal before the damage is done? Let's break it down. US President Donald Trump plans to roll out reciprocal tariffs starting in April. The idea, if India imposes high tariffs on US goods, the US will do the same. Citi Research warns this could result in annual losses of up to $7 billion for Indian exporters. Indian officials are now scrambling to prepare countermeasures. Talks of a new trade deal with the US are underway, aimed at reducing tariffs and strengthening trade ties, but time is running out. Some of India's biggest exports to the US could face steep tariffs. The most vulnerable industries include chemicals, metal products, and jewelry. These are among the top exports to the US. Automobiles and pharmaceuticals, key contributors to India's trade surplus. Food products, a sector that could suffer if farm tariffs increase. India's merchandise exports to the US totaled $74 billion in 2024, with major contributors such as jewelry, pearls, and gems, $8.5 billion, pharmaceuticals, $8 billion, petrochemicals, $4 billion. Right now, India imposes an average tariff of 11% on US goods, 8.2 percentage points higher than what the US levies on Indian products. That imbalance is what Trump's policy aims to fix. While Indian goods face a threat of higher tariffs, US exports to India already encounter steep tariff barriers: 7% on wood products and machinery, 15 to 20% on footwear and transport equipment, 68% on food items. One of the biggest pain points for the US: agricultural goods. The US imposes a 5% tariff on farm products, while India's average agricultural tariff is 39%. Some goods, like US motorcycles, face a massive 100% Indian tariff compared to just 2.4% on Indian bikes in the US. If Trump expands tariffs to cover more farm products, India's agriculture exports could take a serious hit. The tariff gap is huge, but current trade volumes are low. If more food items get added to the list, it could impact India's farmers and food industries. Not all sectors face equal risk. A Reuters report suggests that textiles, leather, and wood products are less vulnerable because the tariff gap is smaller compared to other sectors. Many US companies already manufacture in South Asia, benefiting from India's free trade agreements. What if the US applies a flat 10% tariff increase on all Indian goods? India's GDP could take a hit of 50 to 60 basis points, according to Standard Chartered Bank. The impact would come from an 11 to 12% drop in US imports from India. That could lead to job losses and price hikes in affected industries. To avoid a full-blown tariff fight, India is making trade concessions. Tariff cuts on high-end motorcycles from 50% to 30%. Bourbon whiskey tariff slashed from 150% to 100%. More US imports planned. India is increasing purchases of energy and defense equipment. Talks for a wider trade deal are ongoing, but will they be enough to ease tensions? Trump's tariff threat could reshape India-US trade. With $7 billion on the line, Indian exporters are on edge. Will India find a way to negotiate a deal, or is a trade war inevitable? Stay tuned for more updates.